Hello friends, today we will show an interesting position of the end game in which it is white turn now. See the position on the board, black B pawn, C pawn and this bishop, these pawn can promote. If these are promoted, then it will be very difficult to draw the game for white. But your challenge is white to play and win. Can you find the way? If you accept this challenge, then pause this video and show your talent. If you want to see the answer, then continue with us. Now we are giving you the solution of this puzzle. See the position on the board carefully. What white should do? White plays his first move and C2, check. Then black cannot take this knight with pawn because of these two pawn will block and white will take this pawn, H pawn. Here black has two options, either to take this knight with bishop or to save the king. First we take this knight, first variation. If bishop cross knight, then what will happen? Queen will go to b8. And what to do? Threatening, mate. What black can do now? If black b2 check, then queen cross c2 and black has no good option but to resign. We will take back the position. This was the position. If black plays king on a2, then knight b4 check, and here king can go to a1 or a3. First we take king, let's say a1. Then what will happen? Queen on a2 check, sacrificing his queen. And only option is pawn cross queen. And now knight on c6. White plan is play this knight on this d4 and this square. And what will do? What black can do? Nothing. If he plays bishop on d3, let's say, then nd4 and mate on next move. So we will take back and we will show last variation. After this check, if black plays instead of a1, let's say king on a3, then what will happen? Then white will play nd3. If bishop cross d3, then queen on d6 check, and here king on, if a2, queen on d5, and black has no good option but to resign. Here white threat is this queen will go to a5. What black can do? Nothing but mate in 3. So here black has no good option. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching Gupta Chess 15. Also subscribe our channel Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.